Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this bookshelf, and the manufacturer was actually nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now, I know the first thing you're thinking, how hard is this thing to put together? Well, it wasn't too hard at all. All this down here, really easy. The hardest part was like this sloped part right here. Actually, I had to have my daughter help me with it. I probably could have done it on myself, but having two people in order to put this together and get it to go into these slats and stuff definitely makes it a lot easier. Also on here, you do have these parts right here, and it kind of makes it just a little bit sturdier, and those are going to be all the way down and on both sides. You'll have them over here as well, and that makes it really nice and really sturdy. All right, it does also come with some nice instructions right here, about 30 pages long, and then you are going to get these little covers right here, and they're used to cover these up. I never put them on there. I think it's too much of a pain to put them on there, but you can. I mean, they're just stickers. They aren't that hard to do, but there's a whole bunch of them around there, and if we step back here, you literally can't see any of those just by looking at it. They're pretty hidden well up inside here, so I don't even worry about it. Extra pieces, and then you're going to get the mounting hardware to mount this to the wall, because as you see, it is kind of unstable right there, so you'll want to be able to mount this to your wall just in case this kind of gets loaded awkward, or you have little ones, you don't want them pulling it over on themselves, of course. But overall, the finish on this is absolutely fantastic. Everything lined up really nice. And like I said, overall, it wasn't that hard to put together. Maybe it took me an hour and a half total to put together. A little bit of that was spent up here on this top piece. Like I said, that was the hardest part. Everything else, super easy, especially if you have an electric grill. Overall, I think it's fantastic. I think it looks fantastic, easy to put together. Highly recommended. Go ahead and check this one out.